This video is about the invisible dog training protocol. This is a training exercise for dogs that only feel safe when they can get somebody's attention. It is from the Reconcile's Calm program, which was developed by Dr Sarah Heath for dogs with separation distress. So it's a great step for dogs that do have separation distress, but it's also a really useful exercise for dogs with extreme attention-seeking behaviour, or dogs that feel very uncomfortable when they can't access their owners. The first step of this training is to prepare your environment. Remove any objects you don't want your dog to interact with or damage. Now you need to prepare your invisible dog signal. This will be an obvious visual signal like an object that stands out or a sign that you can stick on your wall at dog nose height. Pick something that you're confident your dog won't want to carry around or play with, something like a large vase, for example. This invisible dog signal should be out of view when you first begin. Prepare a seat for yourself. Prepare a barrier you will be able to calmly and quickly drag between you and your dog if your dog tries to make physical contact with you when you are seated. Next, engage your dog. Use quiet and gentle interactions. Play your strokes or scratches or rubs. Make sure your dog is enjoying it. Try to keep this low key so we don't end up exciting the dog too much. Aim for about 30 seconds to 1 minute for this kind of interaction. The next step is to make your dog invisible. Calmly disengage from your dog. Go to your invisible dog signal that you got earlier and bring it out. Set it out as the dog is watching you. Maybe put it somewhere there where the dog can't immediately or easily reach it, as sometimes dogs are drawn to this signal. Sit down and ignore your dog no matter what it does. Read a book or scroll through a phone or tablet for a realistic effect. If your dog tries to mouth you, paw you, or jump up on you, pull the barrier between you without making eye contact with your dog. If you suspect your dog is going to do this, put the barrier up as soon as you sit down rather than waiting for the dog to do it. Have your dog on invisible for at least 20 seconds, but no more than 1 minute at this early stage of training. The next step is to make your dog visible again. Get up from your seat and go directly to your invisible dog visual signal. Remove it, putting it out of sight. You can make eye contact with your dog during this process. It is best if they are watching you. As soon as the signal is out of view, turn to your dog and gently engage them in touch or play again. Remember to keep it low key. Keep this up for at least 30 to 60 seconds. How to progress with this exercise. Repeat the visible and invisible cycles a few times per session. Gradually increase the invisible period. Hopefully your dog will see the invisible dog signal come out and then disengage from you to amuse themselves or chill out. Dogs that need attention can become very distressed if they know they can't get it. Aim to keep the invisible periods short enough that your dog does not start to vocalize, try to make contact with you, or try to find something to mess with that will get your attention. But monitor them closely for signs of frustration and associated aggression, and speak to your behaviourist for advice if your dog is not improving or is getting worse.